What's going on there, folks? All right, this company, Arnold, reached out to me to do a little review of their blade sharpening and balancing kit. I believe this is sold on Amazon and Home Depot. Not really sure about the price, but probably under $15. What this blade sharpening kit does is you put it onto a drill, a hammer drill, a regular drill, whatever you want. And, it's good maybe to bring with you on the, kind of keeping your trailer or keeping your truck when, maybe you're cutting and you're really not getting that nice cut you want. And you kind of just want to do a quick sharpening of your blades. That's one way I would think about using it, Yeah, you probably need a vise, but if you have your worker with you, he can hold it while you kind of sharpen it up real quick with this. So it's a pretty cool, convenient type of sharpening kit. Obviously, well, we're going to see how it works. It might work pretty good. I don't know. I've never used one of these before. I use a bench grinder, but yeah, looks pretty cool. So let's take a closer look. All right. So we opened her up. Here's a couple Alright, so I'm going to show you how simple this is. Really, really convenient. Here's the blade sharpener. Stick it in your hammer drill or your regular drill, whatever drill you want to use. Tighten her up and come on over here. Put her in a vise, or like I said, if you're in a bind, kind of, maybe you're doing your lawn, you and your worker, your co-worker, and the lawn's not looking that good, maybe the blades are a little dull. You can always take them off and use this on the go. So like I said, you got that little guide here. You pretty much just stick it in here in between the blade and the sharpening rock here. tell from over here how. Now what did I do that for? Like 25 seconds? I mean, look at that. It's pretty sharp. Again, if you want to do it a little bit longer, that's up to you. You know, obviously, if you have an angle grinder or a a bench grinder, but I mean, this is pretty sharp, and I've only been fooling around with it, man. Like 25 seconds. I'm gonna do one. I'll do this one a little bit more, and we'll see how sharp we can get it. But I'm pretty impressed with it. I mean, like I said, it's so simple to use. Put it at speed 1. See if that. I mean, I can tell just by looking at it from the back that it's, I mean, a lot sharper than it was. We're pretty good. And you can see that, I mean, it's not bad. So, like I said, I did this one before. Real quick, too. Again, 45 seconds. You know, it's not going to work as well as a grinder, a bench grinder, an angle grinder, of course, and some of those expensive, sharpeners, blade sharpener systems that they have. But well, this guy's got his weed whacker going here. But I'm pretty impressed with this. I mean, I'd recommend it for the 10, 15 bucks that it cost. Or maybe you just don't feel like, getting your angle grinder out or, something like that. And you kind of just want to do something quick. Again, I mean, it's so simple. So, I like it. I recommend it, actually. So, and like I said, you can go as crazy or as sharp as you want. I mean, it's sharp. I'm very impressed. So, any comments or questions, let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one.